Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by naming the 3 biggest failures: pacing, unclear stakes, weak arc, and you pick one scene to salvage now. Once done, gather the script pages and rough cut clips so you can edit with context. Make sure to have character bios for motivation. Prioritize a 1-hour rewrite. Tighten beats, raise the stakes by one clear objective, and swap filler lines for action or choice. This rapid focus turns vague problems into a specific, fixable target. Once you have the target scene, restructure it into goal, obstacle, and a decisive choice so the audience feels movement. Then rework dialogue to reveal motivation through action and subtext rather than exposition. This keeps Poe's voice honest and active. Make measured trims, typically 10 to 30%, to remove dead space, and insert visual reactions or small beats to restore rhythm. By focusing on cause and consequence, you make the middle feel inevitable. Finish by polishing transitions and ensuring emotional through lines carry from scene to scene. Use match cuts or sound bridges to smooth jumps. Then screen the revised sequence for 1 to 3 trusted viewers. Collect specific notes on confusion and moments that land. If things go wrong, check for unclear stakes, weak payoffs, or tonal mismatch. Those 3 explain most failures. Make small fixes. Clarify the objective, amplify the payoff, or adjust score/tone. Repeat test until responses align with your intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.